Fall is here, and I am going to show you how I made this tortellini butternut sausage squash soup. This is what you need. Okay, so you need hot sausage, Parmesan cheese, butternut squash, heavy cream spinach, chicken stock. You need thyme, Italian seasoning, garlic, tortellini. So I'm going to take the hot sausage, and because I didn't have ground sausage, so I'm just going to take it out of the casings like this. I'm not going to bore you with everything, but I'm going to put it in the pot. Once it's all in the pot, I'm going to throw in my Italian seasoning. I'm going to put some red pepper. You can, skip that step, whatever. I'm going to take some time, throw it in, and I'm just going to break up the sausage on a medium heat. Once it's all in there, I'm going to put my garlic and cook that for a little bit. Once it's halfway cooked, the sausage, what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in 5 cups of chicken stock, just like that. And I had to wing the last cup. Stir it around. Yummy. It smells so good already. Throw in the tortellini, throw in the butternut squash, and we're going to cook that until it reaches a boil. And then once it reaches a boil like this, see when it looks like that, we're going to lower it a little bit and cook it for 10 more minutes. Then after that, you're going to throw in a handful of chopped spinach, nice fresh spinach, and we're going to do that until it wilts. So usually it takes like a couple of minutes to wilt. Once it wilts, we're going to pull off the pot, like we're going to put it on a nice cool spot, and then we're going to throw in half a cup of heavy cream. That is all you need to do. You just stir it around. This is amazing. This is the time if you need to put more chicken stock or salt, pepper, whatever you need to do to make it taste even better, but it was good just like this. And now I'm going to plate it. I'm going to taste it, and I'm so excited. So here I go. I'm going to put a little ramekin. Looks so good. I'm putting some Parmesan cheese on top. You guys, this is amazing. I love fall food. There is nothing like fall comforting food. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you make it and go back and screenshot the ingredients. Bye.